To shoot a basketball properly, start by squaring your shoulders. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart or a little closer. Whichever hand you shoot with, move your foot on the same side slightly forward. For instance, if you're right-handed, put your right foot slightly in front of your left. Bend your knees slightly to help you stay balanced and ready to jump. Hold the ball at waist level until you're ready to shoot. When it's time to shoot, pick a target, whether it's the hoop or a spot on the backboard. Straighten your knees and jump. Be sure to use your hips and legs to propel yourself upwards. Jump slightly forward, since this will help give it a little more forward momentum. However, keep your shoulders back and don't lean forward as you jump. Aim with your feet, not your upper body. As you jump, bring the ball up over your head, keeping the elbow of your shooting arm in line with your shoulder. The fingers on your shooting hand should be perpendicular to the seams on the ball. Keep your shooting hand underneath the ball with your palm facing up and out. Rest the palm of your non-shooting hand on the side of the ball to steady it. Push the ball up and forward, and turn your body 20 to 90 degrees toward your non-shooting hand as you jump. Straighten your shooting elbow and release the ball towards your target just before you reach the full height of your jump. Follow through with your wrist so that the ball flies in an arc instead of just going straight up or forward. It takes time and practice to shoot a basketball correctly, so don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. Keep practicing from different angles and distances until it starts to feel natural and easy.